Hi, this is Spencer Colgan, your Tampa Bay wallpaper installer. Welcome to my wallpaper show. This is a room in which we did painting, a chair rail, and wallpaper. And the chair rail is here to protect the wallpaper, hopefully. So now I have a product to show to you that will enhance the beauty of the chair rail. How many of you have done woodwork in your homes where you've caulked the hole? And then what happens after the next day, right? You come back and you see that the caulking that you put into the holes where you fastened your chair rail or your woodwork onto the wall, what happened? It shrunk, right? Well, if you really want to do it right, this is what I want to suggest to you. This is Bondo glazing putty. You know when they repair your car after it gets a dent and it's beyond pulling it out with the fix-it without painting it? They actually put a plunger on and they pull it out. Well, in order to fill in dents, this is what they use. Now, this stuff doesn't shrink, and this is what I want to suggest that you use in this particular application. Why? Because the average contractor uses a shrinking compound of caulking, or they'll take a little joint compound on their finger and they'll put it in, and that would be okay if it didn't shrink. But it shrinks, and then you can see the holes. So if you want to do it the best way, where it doesn't shrink and you can't see where it was fastened, isn't that the best way to do it? This is what I want to suggest to you. Bondo glazing putty, you get it right in your paint store. I got this at Sherwin-Williams. It's really good stuff. I mean, it's not going to last forever because it dries up, but and there is no mixture. It already comes mixed. You know when you buy your Bondo and you have an epoxy and you mix it together and then you have about 5 minutes to apply it. Well, this isn't like that. It's similar. So I want to show you what I do with this. I don't want it on my finger because it has all of these warnings. So I'm just going to show you. And the nice thing about the color is that you know exactly where you got to sand when you're done with it. Look at how easy it goes on, right? Now, I'm a little bit of a fanatic for perfection, and but you know what, I look at it like this. I love what I do, and I want it to look perfect, you know? And if it doesn't, earlier in my career, if it didn't look perfect, it was because I didn't know what else was available to make it look perfect. But now, today, with YouTube and the internet, you can pretty much find everything that you need. And yet, this product is so scarcely used. You don't see this on a lot of jobs because contractors are still just filling it in with plaster. But you don't want to see those annoying dents in your woodwork, do you? And so this stuff fills it in perfectly, okay? And all you have to do after this is sand it. Okay, we're putting this over an oil-based enamel because this is going to stand up to a lot of contact from passersby over the next couple of years. And so the next time they have to touch up this chair rail, it's going to be at least 2 years. But this filler is going to stay in there as long as this chair rail is up. This stuff just stays in and it doesn't shrink. That's the beauty of it. I'm using a 3-inch putty knife, and you want to use a putty knife, not your finger, because although your finger is good when you're caulking stuff, your finger is so soft that the flesh goes into the hole and then scoops out the material that this doesn't. And that's why you want to use a flat applicator to get it in there, okay? And doesn't that look nice like that? This is the best way to do it. Again, this is Bondo glazing putty. And you can find this at Sherwin-Williams and probably at Benjamin Moore. But I never did. I only found it at Sherwin-Williams. And if you're looking for it, I want you to get it at the right place. Like I said, the color is so good that when you come back to sand this, you're going to know exactly where to do it because the color is screaming at you. Unfortunately, you do have to sand it, but it's a quick sand. Once the stuff dries, it really comes off nice. And it goes on real nice. It goes on just like joint compound does, for those of you who are familiar with the use of joint compound, which is the material that you fill in your seams on your sheetrock. See how nice that is? And this is the only thing I would use this for on the woodwork trim, just the holes. I wouldn't start filling this in your seams if your seams are a little wide, and that's what I would use caulking for. And I would use dense caulking too. Dense meaning fast drying Alex Plus. It's very dense and it doesn't shrink as much as the clear stuff, okay? Then we have to put in with a nail set. If you take the time to do things like this, your customers are going to notice. And who wants to do things the easy way anyway? Usually the easiest way is sloppy. In the long run anyway. And there you have it. How long did that take for the average chair rail? Now I'm going to go against my rule a little bit because I can't get this in there. But I made it thick instead of thin. I applied it a little thicker over the hole, so I know I have to sand a little harder there. Okay, and there you have it. This is Spencer Colgan. Thanks for watching my channel. If you need wallpaper, please contact Wallpaper Boulevard, www.wallpaperboulevard.com. If you have a question about wallpaper installation, removal of wallpaper, skim coating your walls, treating your walls, what primer do you use? Oil-based, alcohol-based, glue-based? You contact me, leave a question in the comment section, and I will get back to you within 48 hours. Thanks for watching. This is Spencer Colgan. See you on the next one.